SOLIDWORKS 2021 has a huge set of new features and performance enhancements. Let's take a closer look at some of them right now. To check the performance of this corner bracket, I'm going to use SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2021. I've already set up the loads and boundary conditions for this study, and I've gone ahead and made the fastener meshes draft quality, which will speed up calculation for my simulation. Once that's done, I can go ahead and run the study and get the results, which look great. One of the cool things about Simulation 2021 is I get these results faster than before because the solver for contacts actually takes advantage of multi-core hardware technology, as does the meshing tool itself. Let's take a look at some other enhancements to SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2021. Using bonded or contact type interactions now has the ability to specify a gap and stabilization range. What this does is it makes the software able to handle situations where I have gaps in between, for example, the washer and the nuts and the bolts, and I don't have to worry about messing with the simulation to get it to run the way I want it to. It just handles it by itself. Also, when we're looking at results in areas that interact that have a spherical, conical, or cylindrical surface, the solver automatically handles situations where the nodes don't line up directly so that I get the results on top automatically instead of the results that are undesirable on the bottom without any additional work from my part. So the whole idea with Simulation 2021 is that things just work better and you don't have to do as much specific modeling and mesh handling to get results. Speaking of the mesh, we now have a mesh quality diagnostics tool, which can help me very easily find any bad elements here. All I have to do is turn this on and it'll show me in no uncertain terms right in the model where I might have bad mesh elements there. And not only does it show me where there are some problems, but it also has a tool built in to automatically try to fix those for me. So again, the whole idea is let the software do the work. Just like having automatic solver selection, it's better in 2021. And of course, I have the ability to specify whichever direct solvers I want myself. Finally, if you're a user of simulation in the past, you're going to notice that the terminology in simulation has been updated in 2021 just to reflect more of the industry standard terminology that other softwares use. So that way we're all kind of working off the same sheet of music, as it were, when we're speaking to other people in the simulation field. So some great enhancements to make SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2021 get you great results faster with less effort on your part and having the system give you the accurate results automatically. So that's just some of what's new in SOLIDWORKS 2021. To find out more, go to www.gsc-3d.com today.